How to apply for US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about applying for the US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then simply type in US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card in the top search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites. You need to click on this initial link that is indicating US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Cards option. Click on it. And once you do that, you will be taken to this kind of interface where it's displaying your US Bank Platinum Visa Credit Card. You can log into your US Bank account in order to apply faster. Otherwise, just simply click on this apply button that is highlighted in red color. And once you click on it, it will directly take you to fill the application form correctly. So in the first field, you have to enter the correct form of your social security number. After you've done that, go ahead and enter the correct form of your mobile number in the second field, and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to complete the application form. And if you need help with your application, you can directly contact the number 800-717-6166 Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. And on Saturday, you can contact them from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So this was all about it. This is how you can apply for the US Bank Visa Platinum Credit Card. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.